Hello, ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all, and welcome back to Authentic Media. So, in today's video, we are going to be talking about Meta Earth. Yes, Meta Earth once again. So, there are a lot of updates on this particular project that I really want to share with you, each and every one of us right here. So, for those that has been participating in this project, we know that almost throughout this month, the check-in session of this project has been on halt, right? It has not been working simply because they were upgrading, rebuilding, and rebranding the projects. But now everything seems to have been completed. So first of all, before you proceed with this video, make sure you head straight to the Play Store or your Apple Store, wherever you are accessing this project from, and search for Meta Earth. Okay, make sure you update it to the latest version so that you can be able to flow along with what I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, all these features are not in the old version. And here is a disclaimer: most of us updated this particular app barely 1 week now, and it still need extra updates. I just got mine updated right now. That was why I'm able to access all this. So even though you updated it like a couple of days ago, you just have to update it immediately after watching this video so that you can be able to flow along. Okay, so after you've done updating the app, then you are going to get your new interface. You guys can see new things right here. This one is checking in. We can now recover our check-in. Maybe you miss a day or two, you can now recover it. But for the days that it has not been working for us, they didn't count those ones for us. Okay, so we don't really have anything to lose right there, because they made it clear that they are going to make it up to all the members. So that is just that. And firstly, before we proceed, I want us to talk about this annual staking right here. You guys can see that I have one MEC staked here, which is the one that was staked for me automatically when I joined this project. So if you're interested in staking, there are two types of staking right here. They have the flexible team staking and the fixed term staking. Okay, so you click on the flexible. Let's see what is there for us. This flexible will give you 12.5% of whatever you stake per month, and the reason why they call it flexible is that you can be able to withdraw it any day, any time of your choice, and it got credited to your dashboard. And the minimum you can stake is 0.01 MEC, and the minimum withdrawal also is still 0.01 MEC. So this is still another way to earn more MEC token. That is if you really want to stake and earn more. Okay, then this particular one, which is the second one, called fixed term staking, this particular one will give you 25%. All right, so this is fixed terms for Nigerians. Okay, if you are not a Nigerian, your own region will show here and you will see your fixed term. Okay, so this is how to go about this particular one. So firstly, you guys can see that I have 0.4 MEC right here, which equals 2 to 3k in naira as it stands now. Okay, if you really want to stake, the minimum amount to stake right here so is still 0.01, and the one to withdraw is still 100% of everything you stake. So this is where you come and choose your staking duration, this particular place. Okay, so just tap on this button right here, click on it, and you will see the number of days you can stake and the benefits attached to them. Sorry guys, let me show you. Okay, so now they say choose staking duration. If you are choosing 30 days, you'll be getting 13% of whatever you stake. If you choose 60 days, you'll be getting 15% of whatever you stake. 180 days will give you 18%, and 360 days will give you 25% of whatever you stake. But the reason why it is called fixed is that you first of all read the redemption rule right here. They said locked staked assets cannot be redeemed in advance. After maturity, both the principal and at least 0.01 make and staking rewards can be redeemed at any time. So the difference between this one and the first one is that the first one you can stake and withdraw any day, anytime you like, but this particular one you have to wait for the time you choose to elapse before you can be able to withdraw. Okay, so that is why it is called fixed term. Okay, that is for the staking, and this is for people that really want to maximize and earn more of their MEC token. So it's not compulsory, it's just another way of earning more. Okay, so after that you can come to the check-in session right here. So let me just scroll up a bit and click on chain check-in so that you guys will see what they have for us right here. So this is the day that the glitch started. So you guys can see that we are privileged and they check marked everything for us since that day. Okay, so we don't really have anything to miss, and as we all know, 25 consecutive days check-in will give you 0.01 MEC. So now here is the thing: I was not able to check in yesterday, so I missed a day before yesterday. I missed the day before yesterday check-in, which was 20th. So I now have the option to either recover it by spending 0.02 MEC. Okay, how much am I even going to spend? Okay, by spending 0.01 MEC right here to recover the day that I lost, or just forget about it and spend only 0.0002 MEC. So I think it's still better for me to recover it and spend this particular one. So if you already have some days missing in your own check-ins, like you check your dashboard right here and you see wherever you have a missing day right here, all you have to do is just make sure you tap here and recheck this particular one that they said recheck and check in or whatever. So instead of skipping to check in today, okay, so let me just click on recheck and check in. They say go to exchange. Oh, current balance is insufficient to pay for the resigning fee and gas fee. Would you like to cross chain exchange? Okay, so they say I don't really have enough balance to pay for this, so I just have to cancel it. It's as simple as that. So let me just head straight and check in for today. Alright, so check in today. Let's see what is there. So now they have already changed the check-in session, unlike initially where you just have to come and put one or two words in a given space and you're good to go. So now you have to make sure you read everything right here. Okay, read everything right here, then come down right here and see where they stopped and complete. So they stopped at maintain ecological. Alright, let me just follow up and see what's good. Maintain ecological. You can even see what you are writing, okay? Ecological balance to promote. All right, this is the new method of checking in. To promote what? To promote sustainability. Okay, so let me do that quickly. Sustainability. All right, I just have to complete it for me. Then I just have to mark it and click on chain check-in. Click on confirm right here. Then I will verify my code. I'll just wait for them to verify the check-in, so you guys can see that the check-in is under pending right here and the countdown is going. And beautiful, congratulations guys, I'm done, and my check-in is done as well, so I'm just good to go. Okay, so for those of you guys complaining that the check-in has not been working for them, everything is now working smoothly, so it's now time to get back to work. Okay, so that is just the latest update right here. And please guys, to check your invitation right here, let me just click right here. This is where you will see your invitation, that place that they wrote this particular button that is rolling around, which says invite and n 0.1 MEC. You click on it. This is where you will see your referral link and the referral code. Okay, you guys will see the total amount I've get from this project and the total people that I've referred. But it occurred to me that if I click on my invitation right here, let me click on more. Let's see something. So it occurred to me that a lot of my referrals have not been able to verify their MEC token. So please, if you know you are among the people right here, if you know you are among these people that are not verified yet, just do well to verify your MEC accounts. Please, it is very crucial at this point in time. Right, the verification process is very simple. It's not that hard, it's not that techy. Just position your face, they capture your face, and you're good to go. A lot of unverified users, right? So it's not good for us and it's not good for the system. So if you know you are part of these people right here, and if you have not joined this project and you are interested in joining, all right, so they say get 0.01 for joining their community, so you can explore joining their community earlier, later, to get some things right here. So like I was saying earlier, in case you have not joined this project earlier, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description section and comment section of this video, okay, for you to sign up. The sign up process is very simple. Within a flip of a finger, you're good to go. So, and for those that have joined and have not verified their details, this is just all you have to do. It's very simple. You come to this place that they wrote me ID. That is after signing in. You cannot be able to do check-in or do anything. That is for new members. Click on me ID right here. They will give you option to just position your face and verify your face. It's as simple as that. So you guys can say, I've already done all this. I've already verified my account, verify my me ID, everything. Like the whole verification process is as simple as ABC. So they will just prompt you to position your face. After positioning your face, you just have to capture it and you wait for 24 hours to get verified. So, and for those that has not been kind of verified since they positioned themselves, because a lot of people have complained that their verification has been pending for a long time. So you have to go back now and check, because after this upgrading of 0.2 version, everything has started working smoothly. So you have to check back and see if you have been verified or if they have given you another slot to re-verify your identity. So that is just the basic thing you have to do. Position your face, capture your face, and they will verify you within 24 hours as it stands now. After that, you start earning free MEC token, checking in daily, referring family and friends, and so on and so forth. All right, so that is just the simple process to go about this particular project called MetaEarth or Me Pass Anyone. So, and as it stands now, 0.1 MEC is trading 500 to 600 naira in black market. So if you will be able to get at least one MEC, you are able to have 5,000 to 6,000 Nigerian naira. See, this is a very great opportunity that nobody should miss out. And if you really have some coins that you wish to sell, you can contact me and I will be able to get you through to that. Okay, so that is just that. Okay, what I'm understanding right here is that for the days that this checking has not been working, okay, they say I've completed today's checking. So it really means that I only have 2 check-ins this month. There's nothing for me this month. It really means that for the days that all these are not working, they have not been able to be allowing us, or they have not been able to accessing the check-in button for us. So that is just the thing right here. So the ones that are blue are the ones that are successful. Okay, so we just have to keep checking in and wait for more updates and see how everything turns out to be at the end of the day regardless. So do well to put more effort in this project. Let's watch and see what happens next. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, enjoy yourself till I come your way next time. Bye for now.